Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are unboxing and trying Khadlaj Mocha Latte, a fragrance that already sounds like comfort in a bottle. Let's open it together. Okay, so the packaging is not bad, it feels pretty nice and rich with decent attention to detail. Let's see, in the bottle itself, let's look at the bottle here. Okay, package. Okay, it has some weight to it. All right, here we go. Oh wow, nice. So yeah, the weight to this, it makes it feel more expensive than the price, definitely, especially the way the bottle is. It looks amazing. All right, so here's the bottle up close. Cap. Nice cap, metal cap, got some weight to it. Atomizer looks like it's going to be nice. All right, so it's elegant, sleek, and it really matches the theme of the Mocha Latte. All right, so let's talk about the note breakdown here. So up top, we've got cinnamon, orange, and cardamom. The heart brings chocolate, coffee, and a touch of liquor. And finally, the base, it smooths it all out with the vanilla, tonka bean, and benzoin. So it sounds like a cafe latte with spice, sweetness, and warmth all blend together. All right, so let's get this first impression. Oh, let me see. I wonder where that came from. Not sure. All right. Pressurized atomizer. All right. Wow. So right away you get that warm chocolate coffee mix with the cinnamon spice. Almost like pumpkin spice, but not pumpkin. So the sweetness is there, but not overdone. The cardamom keeps it balanced. It's not too much cardamom. It's starting to develop as it settles. The vanilla and tonka start softening it beautifully. Oh my God, this really does feel like stepping into a cozy cafe on a cold day. All right, that's great, you guys. It's a nice mixture of the chocolate, the cardamom, and the coffee. Okay, so to wrap this up, that's my first impression of a Khadlaj Mocha Latte. It's gourmand, it's warm, and surprisingly balanced. If you enjoy edible notes like coffee, chocolate, and spice, this one is definitely worth checking out. I will wear it more and share how it performs in a full review later, but for now, thank you for watching, and until next time, stay fresh, stay fragrant.